Students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will do some word problems of page number 54 and 55. Word problem of page numbers 54 and 55. Now, the first problem is there are 1089 milch cows and 754 other animals in a dairy. How many animals are there in all? Now what is given in this problem? In this problem, number of milch cows has been given and number of other animals in a dairy has been given. And we are to find out total number of animals. Is it clear, beta? We are to find out total number of animals. Now how many milch cows are there? Number of milch cows is 1089. So we will write down number of milch cows 1089, number of other animals 754, and we are to find out total number of animals. Then what will we do? We will add these two numbers. Now students, what do you mean by milch cows? What do you mean by milch cows? Milch cows are the cows kept for milking. Is it clear, beta? Now, to find out the total number of animals, we will add these two numbers. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 is carryover. Then 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Again 1 is carryover. 1 plus 7, 8. No carryover is there, so put a cross here. Now 1 plus 0 is again 1. So what will be the answer? 1843 animals. Then write down answer 1843 animals. I repeat, number of milch cows 1089, number of other animals 754, total animals. Add these two numbers, you will get number of total animals. Is it clear, beta? Now, second problem. The teachers in a village collected rupees 7,786 and students collected rupees 1,414 for building the school hall. What was the total collection? Now what is given in this problem? That for building a school hall, teachers and students both collected money. Teachers collected rupees 7,786 and students collected rupees 1,414. Now we have to find out the total collection. Now what will be the statement? Teachers collected money rupees 7,786. Students collected money rupees 1,414, and then we have to find out total collection. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 is carryover. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 is carryover. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 is carryover. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So total collection is rupees 9,200. I repeat, teachers collected money rupees 7,786. Students collected money rupees 1,414, total collection. Add these two numbers and you will get answer. Is it clear, students? Now next problem is the monthly expenses of a hostel are as follows. The monthly expenses of a hostel are as follows. Food rupees 3,782, rent rupees 748, Other items, rupees 2,972. What is the total monthly expenditure? Now what is given in this problem? That in a hostel, expenditure on food is rupees 3,782. Expenditure on rent is rupees 748. And expenditure on rest of the items is rupees 2,972. And we have to find out total monthly expenditure. What will we do? We will add these three numbers. We will add these three numbers. Is it clear? Now expenditure on food is equal to rupees 3,782. Expenditure on rent is 748. Expenditure on other item is rupees 2,972. Now find out total expenditure. Add these three numbers. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 1 is carryover. Now 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 7, 20. Again 2 is carryover. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So total expenses of hostel are rupees 7,502. Is it clear? To find out the total, we will add all these three numbers. Is it clear, students? Now fourth problem is Rajan spent rupees 3,075 for DVD player, rupees 3,918 for a set of DVDs of old films and rupees 1,023 for a game. How many rupees in all did he spend? Rupees 3,075 for DVD player, rupees 3,918 for a set of DVDs and rupees 1,023 for a game. How many rupees in all did he spend? It means we are to find out the total expenditure by Rajan. Now what will we do? We will again add these three numbers. Now the statement will be he spent on DVD player rupees 3,075. He spent on DVDs rupees 3,918 and he spent on game rupees 1,023. Total he spent. Add these three numbers. 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 plus 9, 10. Again 1 is carryover. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So we get the answer rupees 8,016. Is it clear, student? In order to find out the total expenditure by Rajan, we will add these three expenses. After adding these three numbers, we will get answer. That is rupees 8,016. That's all for today. Have a nice day.